Understanding Solar Zenith, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, solar zenith. This might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what solar zenith means but also how to use it in a sentence. Solar refers to anything related to the sun. It's an adjective used to describe phenomena, objects, or activities connected with the sun. On the other hand, zenith is a term that comes from astronomy. It means the highest point in the sky that a celestial body, like the sun, reaches. So, when we combine these two words, solar zenith refers to the moment when the sun is at its highest point in the sky from the perspective of a particular location on Earth. This is not a fixed time but changes based on where you are on the planet and the time of the year. Now, let's look at how to use this phrase in a sentence. For example, you might say, the scientist measured the solar radiation at solar zenith to understand the sun's impact on Earth. Here, the phrase is used to describe a specific time of day important for a scientific measurement. And there you have it. You now know what solar zenith means and how to use it in context. We hope this explanation has been clear and helpful. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.